Hey, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Did you know you could talk to your Windows or Macintosh computer? With the current operating systems of Windows 10 for Windows-based computers and Mac OS Sierra for Macintosh-based computers, there are two tools that are enabled in these operating systems that allow you to talk to your computer. For the Windows side, you've got Cortana, which allows you to ask the computer anything you want and it'll respond. And for users of Mac OS Sierra, Apple has included Siri in the operating system, allowing you to talk to your computer like you would your smartphone. Let's take a look at Cortana and Siri and see how you can talk to your computer. Start off with the Macintosh, the MacBook Pro. Now with Mac OS Sierra, Siri is not enabled automatically, but you can definitely go in and enable Siri so that you can talk to your computer. Enable Siri is pretty simple. You can go to the Apple menu. Once you're under the Apple menu, just go to System Preferences. Once you're under System Preferences, there is a new icon under System Preferences in Sierra called Siri. So if we click on Siri, as you can see, Siri is disabled. But if we enable Siri, we want to enable Siri, and then we can choose what language Siri is going to talk to us in. We can choose Siri as a female or male. And there's different types of languages you can choose. We'll leave the default message. Siri will give you voice feedback. It'll use the microphone, and it'll do its thing. So let's go ahead and close this out and see if this works. Hey Siri, and of course there's nothing, but maybe we're not close enough to the microphone. Okay Siri, and no response. So let's check our settings again under System Preferences and double check that Siri is on. And Siri is enabled. And we've got a Siri icon in the upper right hand corner. Siri wants, there we go. What's the temperature outside, Siri?
Did you accidentally summon me?
No. What's the temperature outside, Siri?
I don't know where you are, but you can help me find out. In Security and Privacy Settings, choose the Privacy tab. Under Location Services, check Enable Location Services and Siri and Dictation.
And there you have Siri. So let's go ahead and look at our Windows computer and look at Cortana. Now Cortana, you can easily enable it by clicking the microphone. What's the temperature outside?
It's currently 57 and mostly cloudy.
Alright, and so there is Cortana. But according to Microsoft, we should be able to enable Cortana to talk to us. So if we go to Cortana or the Windows search, we can type in settings. And let's go ahead and get settings in here. Once we're under settings, then we can type in Cortana, and it will bring up the settings for Cortana once we finish setting it up. Now let's go to Cortana settings. Cortana is on, but also there's a new feature called Hey Cortana, which is off. Let's go ahead and turn that on and let's see if we can get that to work. Let's go ahead and close out our settings window. Hey Cortana. And Cortana is listening to us. And as you can see, it's typing what I talk. So let's close the window again. Hey Cortana. What's the weather outside? Hey Cortana. Let's close the window and try it again. Hey Cortana. What's the weather outside?
It's currently 57 and mostly cloudy.
And Cortana brings up the weather. But using the Hey Cortana, what's the weather forecast for the week?
The forecast shows it'll be cloudy, with highs up to the 80s, except Wednesday when there'll be thunderstorms.
So once we're done with that, we can go ahead and close the Cortana window. Let's ask Cortana something else. Hey Cortana, how many days are there left in the year? Now the thing about Cortana is if it can't find a message for you, it'll bring up Microsoft Edge and as a browser rather than your default browser if you're using Google Chrome or Internet Explorer or even Firefox. So that's kind of the downside of using Cortana. But for the most part, you can use Cortana for voice activated messages, voice activation to search for things on the internet and on your computer too. But it's a handy utility, and a lot of desktop computers and laptop computers are definitely going this route. So I would highly recommend that you would use either Siri or Cortana for your Apple computer. But anyway, it's a pretty simple process to get both Siri and Cortana to work with your computer. So I would highly recommend go ahead and activating that at all or on your computer. So if you've got comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. You can always find great tech tips like this one on YouTube. We have a YouTube channel at Integral Onsite and Online Tech Support. You can also check us out on social media if you want to find other great tips like this. We're on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And as always, take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile.